Okay, but then, come on, chat. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, bro. Wait, what the bug? I mean, I'm lagging, bro. Wait, how much? Oh my god, 33? What? 283? Please, God, bro. Please, bro. No. No. Oh, what? What? I use Scorpion, bro, and he used her legs to kick it. What the? Wait, I thought Scorpion is only for a sucker or dribbling. I bet. Gimme. Gimme. I bet. Give me money. Give me money. I have to use that. Gimme, bro. Gimme. Wait, I have the Kaiser. Holy. But why did I did that, bro? That was so stupid, bro. Oh yeah, but I thought Scorpion is only for dribbling or shooting. What that? This is how you. That's how you use Gagamaru. You have to use Scorpion so you can stop the block. Skip. Oh my god, bro. Like I cannot use the bastard because I accidentally click it. Fast reaction. Hey. Oh, what the hell, bro? Oh, dang. Okay, now he's going to the left. Oh, thank God. Okay, he's coming there. Oh no. Oh no. So God, if I. Oh what? Oh my God. Oh. Somebody kill me. Okay, just kidding. Oh. Ah. Ay, what the sigma? Di ka na, I think di ka na for cheating. Ah, nah, dang it.